날 싫어해 하는 걸 알아 나는 서운해 그런 날 왜 너무 이해해 잘못했는데 내게 왜 그러는데 그럴수록 난 되게 섭섭해 I'm so sad 그러니까 슬슬 let me calm it down
안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 예입니다.
Hi, my name is Manon and I'm Ellie's friend.
우리는 오늘 이거를 먹을 거예요. 그거 불닭볶으면라는 거. 진짜 매운 것 같아서 저희가 물 많이 있고 네 준비됐어요. Are you ready?
I'm really bad at spicy food.
It's okay.
I don't like the pain.
It's okay. We'll try today.
It's not ready yet. Let's wait. Let's speak about our lives. Do you like spicy? I don't like it. I hate spicy. Damn it! No, I just stop it.
Are you ready?
I'm not. It's not ready yet.
Are you okay?
Oh my god! I just get such a ready.
I forgot that we were shooting video.
Oh.
Okay, 3. No, it's okay. You won't die. Don't worry. You're making me so nervous, honestly. Okay,
The white people did it.
3, 2, 1.
It's good.
I'm gonna puke.
I need ice cream. Okay, let me take a big one. I'm doing this. The thing is that it hurts so much when you swallow, but it doesn't really hurt when you chew it.
Are you crazy?
Mm-hmm.
You're crying already.
It's not that bad.
You have the sauce on your nose and on your hands.
I'm gonna wait.
이거 진짜 맛있는데 너무 매워요 정말. 그러니까. Like no, like at first you think it's good, but then like, it hits you. Oh my god.
And my lips like they hurt. Mm-hmm.
Just have it on your nose, man. Where is it? Here.
Dude, it hurts so much when you speak.
Nah,
It's horrible.
It's okay now. It's not okay. Do you still want to eat it? I'm sorry. You okay?
You're such an idiot. What the? I was totally. Alright. God, you're so stupid. It was just like a brick.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Don't cry.
It was just like. Oh my god.
I can see tears. There's tears on your face.
I'm sorry, but yeah.
같이 있어서 감사하고 네 이거 생각보다 너무 매워요 정말. 영상을 좋아했으면 구독하고 좋아요도 하세요. 그리고 제 친구의 인스타그램에서도 팔로우 하세요. 네
사랑해.
다음 영상에서 봬요. 안녕.